Emergency service. They will repair or replace your roof from nature's wrath. They will also work with your insurance company. They did with me. Hey, compadre. I was almost
born. Still love you in Tennessee. You're always on my mind.
Yesterday. How can you find amazing candidates fast? Easy. Just use Indeed.
A search for beauty in life and nature through multiple and varied yet cyclical experiences.
Never gonna get off of my shoulder. You thought you had the last laugh. You thought this song.
It's on Alex Warren's debut album, You'll Be Alright Kid, new music from Alex Warren, Ordinary.
They say the holy water's watered down.
Scouts are going to kind of read on from the players, and they'll tip you what they're trying to accomplish now in the batter's box.
Big hole.
Medical and consumer
based on this simple truth that Jesus.
Trump is calling on this.
Federal officials cooperating with certain requests from federal officials. The DOJ claims that law is illegal. An appeals court is preventing the Trump administration from changing.
If you like what you hear, drop by and give us a like on Facebook, or you can follow us on.
Entered U.S. or Canadian sovereign territory. Instead, they were in an international zone just off Alaska.
It's all the
Justice for the injured. Find them at MinnesotaPersonalInjury.com.
This is KCJK-FM and HD1 St. Louis Park, Minneapolis, St. Paul. We are 104.1 Jack FM. Always live on the free audio.